Good morning everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspection, your trusted home inspector in the Valley. I got an item here on the back patio of a older home that I want to take a look at. So at first glance, I'm looking at the patio cover. Upon further inspection, you can see where the beams come across, so they kind of splice this in. So it's not going to be properly secured up here. You follow around a solid beam, but then we go in here. So these are split joints. So it's not going to have nearly the strength if you're up on there on the deck to support it. So potentially with heavy weight or anything, this could fall because there's nothing supporting this upper beam, and there's some areas where basically they're split joints. They're not properly, there should be one solid consecutive beam from there all the way out so that there's no flex in the middle. This support is not really adequate for that because it's not even supported on the ends. And then another item I got here is some exposed wiring that needs to be in conduit. So this home was a recent remodel, flip home. So those are extremely important to do a home inspection because we find so many things that they just try to get away with. And I'm not sure if this patio cover was one of those items or if it was something done prior to the previous builder, or I mean owner, occupant. But for all your home inspection needs, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspection.com. We'll look forward to seeing you.